Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done already, please press the red button below and become a member of my YouTube family, because I upload regular content on insights from my MBA journey and also help you with the CAT exam as well as interview preparation. So in this video, I am going to talk about a very much requested topic, that is placements in IIM Udaipur. Let me take you through the entire journey. The new batch generally starts from last week of June. You will have 1 week of induction. As soon as the induction week is over, within 1 week or so, you will have elections for the placement committee members. I am not going to talk about the placement committee selection process, but as soon as the placement committee is selected, each student is tagged to a placement SPOC WhatsApp group. Suppose there are 360 students and 12 placement committee members, then there will be 12 groups formed and 30 students will be tagged to one WhatsApp group. You will have one primary SPOC and one secondary SPOC of your own batch, and also the senior placement committee members will be also the part of that WhatsApp group. So this WhatsApp group is made for smooth communication of the placement activities. Similarly, you also have a placement preparation SPOC group in the similar manner, and each and every student is tagged to one placement SPOC group and one placement preparation SPOC group. Now comes the first and a very important process, that is CV preparation. CVs in IIM Udaipur are prepared on a website called Riculta. There you have to enter the details of the POR, certificates or any achievements with relevant proofs, and then the SPOC reviews the information that you have entered and approves. Any CV point that is not approved by the placement SPOC is not reflected in the final CV. So you will be asked to collect all the relevant points that you want to put in your CV along with proofs. So for work experience, you will be asked to write all the points that you want to put in your CV and get it approved from your previous employer. For any position of responsibility or achievements from your undergrad college, you need to get it approved from the concerned person from your previous college. Similarly, for any courses that you have completed online or offline, you need to have certificates. So every student is also assigned advisors. Those are second year students who are willing to help you with your CV preparation. If you face any issues or need guidance, you can directly approach to them. Apart from this, you will also have sessions organized by the placement preparation committee on how you should frame your point while putting it in the CV. You will be also having a session with a industry mentor who is already working, and he will be an experienced guy who will see your CV, help you improve your points. After all this, the CV gets freezed. Now the CV is freezed, and by the time company comes for summer placements, the time in between is utilized for preparation of the placement process. There will be multiple GD rounds to help you prepare for group discussions. There will be sessions held by the professionals to help you with case interview preparation, guesstimates, and whatnot. Now the CV is prepared, placement preparation is done. Of course, you will get a lot of support from the college, but now it's up to you how you utilize the resources and prepare yourself for the placement process. The company approaches the placement committee with all the hiring details, and these details are floated to the batch over email. Now, you will be given a time limit of 1 hour to 1 week, depending upon the deadline that the company has given, to apply for that company. So, you have to apply for the company using Riculta. There your CV is made. You can download the CV also. Sometimes you will be asked to fill a external form, internal form, and whatnot. So all the students are mostly eligible to apply unless there are any conditions put up by the company, and all the students who apply for the company, their CVs are sent to the company. Now they will shortlist you, and based on whatever process they have for the selection, they can have GD, they can have multiple rounds of interview, and in the interview you can be asked case-based questions, guesstimates, and that depends upon the company and the role. Generally you get the interview result of selection on the same day, but sometimes it can take a day or two also. During my course, we did not have an option for the dream company. We were allowed to take only one summer placement and one final placement. So this was how the summer placement goes. Once you are selected by any of the company, whichever company gives the result first, you cannot apply to further companies or sit for the interviews. So similarly, in the second year, what happens is once you are done with your internships and everything, so you are allowed to edit your resume. So now you can update your internship points or any of the achievements of first year, and again with the proofs, and then it will be approved by your placement SPOC, and the CV will be freezed again, and the similar process will go for the final placement. One thing I want to mention is that there are many sessions that are held by the placement committee or the placement preparation committee, and you are not allowed to miss them unless you have a genuine reason. And if in case you miss them, then you get a penalty point, and on accumulating a certain limit, the repercussions can be serious. So from the start of your MBA journey, you have to take all the sessions, classes and everything very seriously. And I would say that if you are going to join a B school this year, try to get relevant proof, certificates and everything beforehand, so that you don't have to rush in the last moment and you don't miss to add any relevant point in your CV. So let me tell you about my final placement. If you want to know about the company, you can go and check out my LinkedIn profile. There I have already updated which company I'm going to join. So we had a test that was a couple of days before the interview process was going to happen, and all the shortlisted students on the basis of the test score were called for the interview, and it was just a one round of interview, and I received the spot offer then and there. Slowly and gradually, each and every student gets placed, and when every student is placed, then the batch signs out, and we have a cake cutting ceremony also in the college for summer placements as well as final placements. Please don't flood my comment box asking my placement package, because I am not going to disclose that. I hope this video was helpful for you all, and if you have any further queries, you can either text me on LinkedIn or in the comment box. And till then, take care. Bye bye.